Hi, welcome to the very first video on this channel. Shyt is a space where we dive into quantum programming, especially quantum machine learning. Disclaimer: this series is present in a casual, sometimes chaotic tone. We'll use slang, memes, and trending Gen Z or Gen Alpha references. If you're here for a formal lecture, this might not be your vibe. But if you enjoy some humor while learning hardcore topics, you are in the right place. I'm Santanam Wishal, a professional gambler. Yes, for real. No, just kidding. And yeah, I don't have a master's degree or PhD in quantum computing, so I might get things wrong sometimes. And when that happens, feel free to roast me politely in the comments or better email me. I like to appreciate being corrected. Validation is my love language. And yeah, as I said, this series is gonna be filled with quantum shit. It might get boring, it might break your brain, but I'll try to make it less painful and maybe even fun along the way. Here's the breakdown of what you'll learn divided into 5 arcs in the quantum mixing series. In the first arc, we'll explore about how classical computing differs from quantum computing and why that difference is mind-bending. The second arc is quantum programming. This is the most boring part, at least for me, but essential. We'll get our hands dirty writing boring quantum codes. Third arc, quantum machine learning. This is where we connect the dots between AI and quantum tech. Expect weird models, QAnon, and spicy experiments. Fourth arc, the nerd paradox. Here we'll check out what researchers, labs, and teachers' pets are cooking in the quantum world. The fifth part, student inventions. Student inventions. This is the fun part. We'll build trains, cars, and meme-powered quantum projects and see what breaks. If you're serious about locking in your quantum grid set, I really recommend learning in a structured way. One of the ways to do that is by having a proper life balance, a system to manage your study flow. I made a Notion template for that, and it's available on Gumroad. Links in the description if you want to check it out. If you buy it, you'll support my gambling addiction. That's all for this intro. If you've got any feedback, suggestions, critics, or just want to say hi, drop me a message at stateofvoid00 at gmail.com. See you in the next episode. Turn down and welcome to the Void.